Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we go through the tutorial on how to create an application, Flutter, using the Flutter Android application with the package Google Map. So we want to display a map with a button that can provide you to a certain place. Okay, so the package that we will use in this part is the Google Flutter. Okay, so this is the package that you need to refer when you find from the pub.dev packages, okay, website. Okay, so how to get started? You need to get the API key. In order to create this one, you need to use the API key. If you use your geolocation, geofencing, you must have the API key. So you can create your own from this link, Cloud Google's Map platform. You need to enable it. And then after you get to this website, you need to enable the Google Map Sdk for each platform. So you need to go to the Google Developer Console, okay, and then choose the project that you want to enable the Google Map on, or you can create new project, okay, and then select the navigation menu and select the Google Map, select the API for under the Google Map menu, select Google Map and then select the API, and then to enable the Google Maps for Android, select the Map SDK for Android. So we want to use the Map Android Google Map, and then you need to enable it before we can use it, okay, and make sure the API enable under the enable API section. So the first and foremost step, you need to go to the cloud.google.com/maps-platform, okay, to get the API key. Okay, and then you need to select the project if you are newer, so you need to create your new project. Okay, so create new project, and then you can here new project. Either you select your already project that already there, or you can create your own new project. So select new project, and then you can put your project name here, and then after that click on create. Please use your Google account, your Gmail account. Okay, and then after you create, okay, let's say this one I put my map as the project name, so the my map will be appear here, means that you already created your project, your new project. So this is your project one. Okay, what's next? So please at the menu side, at the left side, okay, left side of the menu, go for the Google Map platform here. Okay, you click on this arrow and then go for the API. Okay, click on the API, and then after that there is a lot of API there that available. So in order to use the Google Maps, you need to enable this API, Map SDK for Android. So this tutorial show about Android platform. So you need to enable this SDK. Okay, so click on this part, okay, and then you need to click enable to enable the services. Okay, so now you already enable your API here, so you can check your enable API here. So this one is the available API that you can use. This one is the enable API that you already set. Okay, next part, go for the credential, okay, in order to get your API keys. Okay, and then create the credentials for the API keys, and then now you have your API keys. Do not share your API keys with the others. This is only for you. specific for you. Okay, so later on, you need to copy this API and paste into your Flutter project file. Okay, so now you already know your API. You already enable your Map SDK for Android in your Google Cloud. So the next time you need to create a new project, a new Flutter project through your Android application. Okay, so add file pubspec.yaml. You need to add the dependency of the map package. So Google Map Flutter 2.1.8. Okay, in this part, I use the environment SDK that bigger than 217.5 and lower than 3.00. So this is the environment of my Flutter, and then this one is the package for the Google Map. Okay, after you add your dependency here, you need to click on the pubget to get the latest dependency, the dependency that you already put in this file. Then you can save it. Okay, the next part, you need to make sure that your minimum SDK version is 20. Okay, this one under the build Gradle file. So you can find from your Android project, Android, and go to the apps. Then you will go for those, and then under the map, the song, you will get the build.gradle. So you need to find under the default configuration here. Okay, the minimum SDK is 20. Okay, so you can save it for your build.gradle. Okay, next part. Okay, this one, you need to find your Android manifest.xml. Okay, and then you need to put your API key here. So you need to copy metadata Android names com.google Android geo API keys, and then this one, the value of your API keys copy from your Google Cloud. Okay, copy the API key that you have generated before, and then paste at this point. Okay, paste with your own API key. Then you can save it. Okay, then the next part, okay, you need to get your main.dat file, and then delete all the code there and replace with this code. Okay, after you run the pubget, then you're able to import this package Googles_map_Flutter. So you're able to get this map. Okay, this one is your main function, and then this one is your class. So under your class, you will call the map sample. Okay, so the things that you need to change is the latitude and the longitude. Okay, for this example, this is the latitude of my office. So you need to change by you need to find your own latitude and longitude based on the previous lab, which is location. So based on the location, you can get your latitude and the longitude, and you replace with this value, with your own value. So it will display your list. Okay, so you change at here, and then you also can change at here. Okay, latitude and longitude. Okay, this one is the camera position, the bearing part. And then, so your body will be a map, the Google Map. It will show the Google Map. Okay, you can play around later on with the libraries. And then at here, I put one button. Okay, the floating button. So this floating button, okay, you can choose your own icon if you are at home. So you can choose icon home. For me, I choose icon on school. Okay, and I tag to UITM. And then after that, close with this part, and you can run your application. So it will look like this one when you run your application. Okay, so I put latitude and longitude at here, and when I click on the button, it will go to exactly with my position. You can change process. Okay, this one actually uses using my finger in order to get the location. Please try using your phone. So that's all for Google Maps. So hopefully you're able to download your own application using the Google Map as well as the location before. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.